Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome tonight. Today, we have made it to day number 160 of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we're promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called Mileage and Secrets. We're putting those two together, and we're somehow seeing if we can earn steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started and where we are now, guys. So we finally made it to day number 160. Let's go and go over here to the Mileage and Secret system. This right here is the Mileage and Secret system, guys. This is what your back office would look like if you guys were to get started. Mileage and Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is if you have multiple accounts. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more subscribers that you're going to get. All right. So if say for instance, if you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one and then 100 on the other. And when you get a sign up underneath your second account, you will get 200 leads across the board. So with two accounts, you would get 400 subscribers every single day. Okay. Which is pretty neat. So just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with Mileage and Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, guys, and these leads do buy. And I've earned income with Mileage and Secret, ClickBank, and the other platforms that you can make money from with this system. All right. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with the Mileage and Secret. Number one, you can literally promote Mileage and Secret itself. Okay, you can pretty much create an email. Okay, or you can come here to the affiliates tab. You can use the pre-written emails that are already made. Just go to promo tools right here. Then if you come down here, there's going to be some pre-written emails that you can use. Okay, so pretty much what you would do is just select one of these emails, just import it in. Go ahead and click on select all so you can load up all of your emails there. Okay, and if you come down here, you're going to see a subject line where you can put your subject line in, and then also the body of text where they transfer the text from over in the section where we're promoting this offer. Okay, so you click on perfect timing. Make sure there's always a check mark. Click right there. So if you come down here, you can basically check this link. Know that there's an affiliate link here. All our prospect has to do is come here and click on this link. It's going to take them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay, we don't even really have to do anything. Okay, you don't have to follow up with anybody. You just have to get them to your affiliate page. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's one way to earn income with the system. The other way is going to be using affiliate network. Okay, such as ClickBank. .com, you got Warrior Plus, you got JV Zoo, you got Max Bounty, you got tons of different offers and different platforms that you can use to grab their business opportunity offers. Okay, but what I've noticed is that the ClickBank offers do convert the best with the Mileage and Secret system. Okay, it's something about those. It's just something about those leads that they convert very well with the ClickBank offers that they have on ClickBank. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there at you guys. And then like I said, the second way is going to be using that affiliate network, and we're just going to go borrow the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, now there's going to be three ways to send out an email. Okay, the first way is going to be able to, you just come up with an email. Okay, just create an email from scratch. You go grab your affiliate link and you insert it in your email. Okay, with coding, or you can use a email service or some kind of AI service, Chat GPT or something like that to create your emails. Okay. And the third way is going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. So those email swipes that are from the vendor, they convert very well. Okay. So I would recommend you guys getting started there first. Okay. And then kind of work your way into repurposing those emails that you used before. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like, guys. You got your My Leads. Where you're really going to be hanging out at, guys, is going to be this mailing system. Okay, this is where you're going to go and send out all of your emails. Click on select all. Like I said, it loads it up. And then one of those emails in the list, I mean, on the offer is going to look something like this. So pretty much you have a subject line right here that you would put in here. And then you also have a body of text. And then you also have a clickable link down here at the bottom. When people click on this link, it takes them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. All we have to do is get our prospect there. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. And I would definitely recommend you guys getting started right away. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, let's see here. Every another thing is every 24 hours is when you'll be able to send out an email. Okay, so this account that I have, um, you have to wait 24 hours in order to send out another email. Me, I like sending out my emails around this time every night. So this is what it kind of would look like. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And if you have any questions, guys, just go back and watch the previous videos that I uploaded in the beginning of the series, kind of give you a more idea on more hands-on on how to go grab an offer, how to grab the subject line, come back and paste it, go back over, grab the body, come back here and paste it. I'm literally walking you guys through this step by step. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, how it's done and how we do it. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank.com is a network platform that you can go to and you can use their free offers. Okay, they have free CPA offers that you can use. So in basically these networks, they can give you permission to promote some of their products, and then in return, they give us a nice hefty commission, or they offer us something. Okay, so this is the back office of one of my ClickBank accounts. I do have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I did want to come in and I wanted to show you today is the 4th. We're shooting this video for October 4th, and we have, tons of different sales that we got here. Okay, so right here we got a sale. We went 2 days without one. We got it back to back. We didn't get one right here, didn't get one right here, and then 2 days right here. But okay, as you can see, we got four in a row. Okay, now what that came from is just staying consistent and sending out emails every single day. Okay. Even when you don't feel like it, or it's too late, or you're tired, or whatever, you got to come in and you got to send these emails out. Okay. Because all this is just a numbers game, guys. The more emails that you send out to this traffic, the more people that you are going to, contact. Okay. And then the more people that see your website, this statistically, there is a number of people that are just going to look at it and not do anything versus people that think that's serious. They're going to taking your business serious. They're signing up with you. Okay. And they're starting to work. Okay. And we're starting to make money for the work that they do. Okay. So I just wanted to show that out there to you guys. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So if you come here and you want to come down here to the more tab, click on Miley MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the landing page of the True Freedom Network. So just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, there's tons of testimonials here. These are people that are making money with the system. Okay. Now, there's just tons of people, okay, earning income. I'm not the only one making money with this system, okay. There's a one-time charge here, guys, of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. Just a no-brainer, okay, on getting this. Like I said, I've been doing this over a few years, maybe close to 3.5 years, and I love it, okay. So, and I make a lot more than what I'm being charged for every single month, okay. So I would recommend you guys getting started if you're looking for a way to make some extra money online. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back over here. Okay. And like I said, I just wanted to show you guys the results. Okay. I come in here every day. I just show you guys results and show you how to do stuff. Okay. So this is what the algorithm has been looking like, guys. Like I said, we got another 4 days in a row right here. And then now we got 3 days in a row. Okay, we got a sale today. yesterday and the day before. Okay, which is really good. So we're getting the sales. If you're looking for extra income online, possibly to put groceries on the table, gas in the car, pay a light bill or phone bill, help with mortgage or something like that. This is going to be the extra income that you can use. Okay, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, and how you guys can get started. All right, so today, let's see here. Okay, all right, so pretty much everything is in for today. All the sales are in, so this is what the algorithm looks like. You may see it not having a sale for 2 days. You get one back to back, no sale right here, no sale right there. Okay, and then no sale right here for 2 days. Okay, and then this one right here is for 3 days. Okay, and then I have everything else in here. Looks good. So everything, as you can see, has been pretty consistent. Okay, it's been pretty consistent. So this will be the time for you guys to get on and stop procrastinating and go ahead and get your accounts activated. Okay. So I'm just going to come back here, guys. I sent out my emails, like I said, tonight. Um, and tomorrow we'll come back in here to talk about it and see how we did. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.